Yo, where the love go? 5, 4, 3, 2, where the ones go? It's a shit show.
It's your boy Crypto Blood, and welcome to another sponsored review. Today I have Mileage to Opportunity, or M2O is what they like to go by. Great idea, guys. This is the whole loyalty program industry. That space is huge, and this company is looking to tackle that. In the first vertical is going to be in mileage for airline passengers and businesses alike, airlines as well. So this is a B2B and also B2C type of platform here, and there's a lot of growth to be had in that type of business model. So again, I want you guys to check it out. Breeze through it. www.mileage2.com. Mileage meets blockchain tech to create a blockchain-based ecosystem. So let's go ahead and take a look at their website. As you can see, very nicely done website. Their whole initiative, as I stated, is to bridge the gap and allow businesses like airlines, and not only airlines but other brick and mortar or online retailers, to take advantage of these wasted mileage credits that many consumers just throw away every year. So what M2O is looking to do is allow you to find those hidden credits, those mileage credits that you have between all airlines, and accumulate them and convert them into the M2O token. But before we even get into the details, guys, I do want you to check out this explainer video. So it really sums up what they're doing with the M2O platform. Check it out.
All mileages in the world. The one platform, M2O. How many mileages of the customers are there hidden around the world? And how many mileages are published? Don't be surprised. It's estimated to be over $2 trillion. M2O allows customers to effectively find the hidden mileage and switch to a single M2O integrated point. Then, how do mileages switch to M2O coin? It can be easily switched to M2O through the M2O electronic wallet. The M2O service is readily available through the wallet. Look up the hidden points in the wallet with your phone number or resident registration number. You can switch the hidden points to the M2O tokens. You can also use any merchant and service in the world that is affiliated with some kind of cash credit point. You can expect the value of mileage to increase as well. How can M2O be valued for business? It helps corporations easily build mileage's promotion system. The established mileage promotion will continue to the corporation's profit and to gaining customers' loyalty, eventually activating the M2O platform. Corporations will be able to build much larger big data and leverage it through mileage partnerships among corporations and securing global users. What vision does M2O have in the future? It will be the world's first mileage bank, where blockchain and mileage financing are integrated. Management business for global mileages will be possible through the secured merchants around the world. In addition, M2O will lead to the most realistic and influential blockchain ecosystem with its global infrastructure, clear and powerful business tools. M2O, opening an era where the hidden mileages become assets. This was something that couldn't have been dreamed of without the advent of the age of blockchain and cryptocurrency. The integrated mileages platform business, which is proven for 20 years as a business model, will see tremendous opportunities through the blockchain. It will also be your opportunities. It will also be your opportunities. All mileages in the world. The one platform, M2O.
All right, guys, so I hope that conveyed M2O pretty good for you. Again, what they're trying to solve in general is help local memberships or local businesses get to that global membership status and accessibility. And really the reason why they can't do that right now is due to the limitations in the services and benefits. You know, the range of using points and mileage has been limited so far. I can't use those mileage points directly in a brick and mortar or online store. So they're looking to integrate that, help the end user find all of those mileage points that they haven't used, and again convert them over to the M2O token, where then those tokens can be utilized at a number of partnering companies in the M2O platform or ecosystem. Their platform seeks to create a virtuous cycle on blockchain ecosystems and simultaneously occupy the market rapidly through its platform business with blockchain technology. In particular, technology cooperation with Oracle, one of the largest IT companies, has enabled them to implement more transparent and secure services for customers worldwide. This is not merely a one-off technical alliance, but rather a means of facilitating the business model that M2O is pursuing through a win-win cooperation between Oracle and itself. M2O's dream is to create a platform that will satisfy both consumers and operators. So it's good to note here, guys, that the M2O platform is actually a hybrid. They're using the Hyperledger blockchain for the private transactions, but they're using the Ethereum blockchain for the actual ERC20 token. So it's a hybrid system that's being integrated here. And so again, the goal of M2O is to provide customers and businesses and affiliates with the necessary services and loyalty programs. It not only serves as a spending window for them where they can consume member pool and point mileage required for businesses and affiliates, but also offer big data for analysis of consumption patterns. So that's the great thing for the business side. This is that B2B side that I'm talking about, that will really enhance individuals that partner with M2O, because not only will they see what type of spending habits they have in their ecosystem, but they'll be able to see what's going on in other areas where normally they wouldn't be able to see what the end user is purchasing. So that's a great aspect, and I have a graphic up here that kind of shows you how this all comes together. So we've got the secure customer data, secure rich cash pool, and I'll show you what that is all about in a second. The secure data of affiliates, and then it kind of goes through this M2O integrated point platform, and that is the Hyperledger section of it. And we go down to the bottom here where they're able to build big data, build point exchanges, and build integrated point banks. And this diagram here is going to show you exactly how the whole ecosystem works, the business model of M2O. And this is the M2 Pay is the cash pool that I was just referring to. So companies with existing mileage will convert those over into the pool, and companies with new mileage will also be able to convert into this M2O Pay pool. From there, we have the M2O payment system, and this is all within their M2O wallet. Now on the M2O platform, when the hidden mileage and points are converted into M2O Pay, conversion fee revenue is generated. Also, sales revenue occurs by making M2O Pay to be used as cash in its own shopping malls and affiliated services, which I just went over. For the companies that do not have mileage promotions, you may create revenue through mileage introduction consulting. The generated mileage will be converted back to M2O Pay, and profit will be generated again. To the far right, you can see here the decentralized exchange, and this is where the coins can be sold or even bought outright if the public wants to. Now let's go down to the members. I want to give you guys the highlight of this area. We have Henry Kim is the CEO, Kwang Il Kim is the CEO, Tawan Kim is a management advisor, and also Dong Rok Go is a management advisor. We have the CTO and CFO here listed as well. This is, just to remind you guys, a Singapore-based company, and their total addressable market is, of course, is the whole world, but they're starting in East Asia. So again, the services, you interact with the real economy through the platform. The platform allows customers to exchange mileage points with tokens, and in real economies, it serves as a form of payment. You can use the service at all members stores associated with M2O. M2O is a global integrated payment system, which means that it is used throughout the world and will find numerous member stores and services in each country. Here's a diagram of how the platform, the ecosystem looks. Just want to kind of give you guys that visual. And again, I think, you know, this is a great idea. The hard part, of course, with all of these types of projects is who gets to market first, who can hit critical mass. And, you know, that's up in the air. We don't know. But, you know, someone's got to try. Someone's got to try to take that market share. And really in Asia, you probably will have more than one company doing that, and they currently have an alliance or partnership with the Star Alliance Corporation and also the SkyTeam Airline Alliance. So once they really hit the ground, they'll be able to integrate fully into those two ecosystems. So that's great to hear. So again, guys, get over to mileage2.com and look at this project in detail. If you're interested, you may even want to just buy some of the tokens just to hold. The second round of the ICO starts soon. Many of the US citizens I know watching this can't participate, but again, look at the service, and you know, once the DEX is up and running, you may want to look at purchasing and just hodling some of these tokens to see what happens in the future as far as value that they create. It may pan out to be something great. Who knows? I also want to touch on their social media. They have a Steam It page, so check that out. All my Steamians out there, go support their page. I'll leave a link to that in the description of this video as well. And they also have a Facebook page to check out. They post there pretty frequently as well. You can kind of see interviews from the CEO and upper management, and also articles that they've been highlighted in or featured in as well. I know there was one article out of News BTC that I found that talks about just the platform and how cryptocurrencies will definitely change the game of the reward program system that we currently see. So very nice write-up by News BTC on that. Also saw something on CCN as well. I'll try to find that and link that as well, so you guys can kind of check that out and get a little bit more detail. Sometimes it's good to get a feel for a company from a different aspect, not directly from their website. So having the ability to see an article or two on the company can shed more light on what they're trying to do as a whole. So lastly, I just want to go over their roadmap so you guys can kind of see where they currently are in the project. So as we scroll up here, you'll see the roadmap very nicely displayed here. So in April, they started development of the actual wallet, and as you can see on the website, you have access to that wallet right now. So that's already in production. The Hyperledger token development started in May of this year, and in June they finished up the development of the wallet. The API systems rolled out in June, and the primary ICO started back in July, and the secondary is starting very soon here. They successfully completed the first round ICO, so that's great to hear. There was a lot of interest in the project back in July on this, and that's saying a lot. You know, having interest in this in a project, it's selling out in this bear market, so that kind of lets you know that there's a lot of interest in this becoming successful. So next month they want to launch the M2O dApp. That's when things are really going to take off for the company, or at least allow them to expand and gain market share. So again, I want you guys to check out this company, M2O. Excellent idea. It's all about execution, and looks like they have the team to attempt that execution on a high level. M2O, check it out, mileage2.com. It's your boy Crypto Blood, and that's my review for today. Holla!